Hello, today's lesson is about writing numbers to 20. Now, if you look on the screen, it's showing you the number 11 and the word 11. And here we have the number 12 and the word 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20. So you can see what it looks like in the numerals and in a word. Now up here it's asking us to count the flowers, and then we have to write the number in words. So let's count them together. Let's count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to stop there because I find it helps if I block off the 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If I put something around them so I know that that's 10, I can subitize that that is 10. And what's left over? What's outside my 10? So 10 and 3 more. So 10, 13, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so in total there are 13. When you finish looking at this video, I would really like you to be able to get a piece of paper, or maybe a couple of pieces of paper, and a pen or a pencil, and can you practice writing your numbers from 11 to 20 and writing the words as well. So you could write 11 and the word 11 next to it. That would be super. Okay, let's rub this out. There it goes with the magic rubber. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so I'm going to stop in a second to give you some time to go and get some paper and a pen. Now you can play this game at home. You can write numbers all the way to 20. I would start at 11 and go all the way to 20, just like it did on the page before, and write it also in words. So numbers 11 to 20 in words. Then turn them over and see if you can match, just like Sam is doing here. He's got a 20 there and he's got the word 20. See if you can match, and the player with the most cards wins. So you can do that after this video. Here it's asking you to make 10 and count. Write in numbers and words. Let's do this together. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do it however you want. You could do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's easier, isn't it? So I'm going to draw an oblong around there. Just like that. How many butterflies are outside of the 10? So we've got a 10, add 4 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to write a 1 and a 4. Can you do that with your finger in the air for me? Can you write 1 and a 4? Very good. Now in this box here, you're going to have a go at writing 14. So it's a tricky spelling, and my writing's too big for the box. 14. Doesn't matter if you go outside the box. Oops, a daisy. My goodness, it's not as easy as it looks. So 14 in numbers, 14 in words. Now let's have a look here. Again, we need to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to stop there and I'm going to put my shape like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 add 7 more. Let's count them together. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here I'm going to write 17. I'm going to have a go at writing. It's very wonky. 17. 17. Okay. Can everyone see that? So I'm going to stop now. You can pause your video and you can go and get some paper and some pens or pencils and you can make your cards just like up the top there, just like Sam and his friends, and play that game. You can play it whenever you like. So keep the cards or keep the pieces of paper and you can play that whenever you like. So I'm going to rub this out now. So can you see 14 and 14, 17 and 17. So let's go. So you remember, if you block off a 10, you can see that it's 10. You are subitizing, you know that's 10. And then we can carry on and add the numbers outside of the 10 to make the number that we want. Okay, so I'm going to stop there, and when you come back, we'll do a little bit more learning. Okay, so moving on from here, we're going to go to our workbook now. Here we go. Okay, here it's asking you on page 99, do you think you can write the date at the top for me? So today, let's do this together. Today is, we'll do the short date because it's maths, we'll do our short date. It's the 27th, 27, so it's 2, so that's 2 tens, 27, dot. And it's the 4th month, January, February, March, April. So the 4th month of the year 2020. Yes, I can hear you shouting that at me. Thank you. 2020. Brilliant. Okay, so I'm going to use that. Colour the correct number. So if you look here, it's telling you what to do. Colour the correct number. So this is an example. So this says 14. 14. I know it looks like hour, the word hour in there, but 14. And here is the word in numerals. A 1 and a 4, which is 14. So that's been coloured in. You can colour it or you can shade it. I'm just going to colour it today. So I'm going to do the next one. And if I hear you shouting at me, I'll know if I got it wrong. So 15. Oh, that looks like 15. Oh, I can hear you. Thank you for stopping me there. I wasn't looking properly, was I? A 15 is a 1 and a 5. So it's this one. Thank you for helping me with that. So I'm just going to colour that one in a bit. There you go. And then this one, you can do all by yourselves. So I'm going to rub this out. Have you all done the date? Give you a couple of seconds to do the date. 27.4.2020. I'm sure you can remember it. I'll say it one more time. 27.4.2020. Brilliant. Let's get rid of that. Okay, let's move on. Now this is asking you to match the number of fish to the correct word of the same number. I'll help you do the first one, and then you can do the rest. So I'm going to count the fish. I'm going to count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now I know if I block that off, that will help me sabotage. So there's my 10, 10 and 3 more. 10, 11, 12, 13. So I need to look here, 13. So I'm looking for a word with a th sound. It's not there. No, that's eh. 13. So it must be this one. So I'm going to put my line from here all the way to here. So you are going to count, you're going to block off 10, add the rest of the number to your 10, and then match it. So here begins with a f, this begins with a eh, this begins with a n. So match your lines up. I'm going to rub this out. And then let's move on.